After gathering enough information about the spiritual path on what is it, why is it important, and how to get there to see the truth, then one must walk the path. Only by walking the path, truth can be seen. Just gathering the information won't. Why? Because gathering the information is gathering ideas, making one's mind bigger and bigger. And the real journey is about taking all ideas, dissolving all ideas. The real journey is about removing the mind so we can see what remains once the mind is dissolved. So that's the journey. When we dissolve the mind all the way, when nothing is left, then what is left is the consciousness itself. And the nature of the consciousness is conscious and empty. And you are that. And that is not a concept, not an idea, not an experience, not an imagination. It's the raw nature of who you are. So, to make that happen, to see your raw self, the mind must go. So for this journey, you don't need much. So if you are lost in the outer journey of gathering the information, gathering the meanings, gathering the stories, itself is a distraction right now. You are delaying your journey to be free from the false. The only thing you need in this journey is the true reference. And the true reference is who you are is not an idea. Truth is not an idea or a belief or an experience or imagination. Truth of who you are is not thinking, not imagining. And if it's not thinking, if it's not experience or imagination, how to get there is by